Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the super easy chocolate dipped strawberries. The complete recipe is in the description underneath the video. Please subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other yummy food. Wash and wipe dry the strawberries. Dark chocolate wafers are available in most grocery stores. Melt chocolate in microwave at 50% power for 1 minute. Stir the chocolate and repeat until the chocolate is fully melted. Dip each strawberry in the chocolate. Place them on a parchment paper-lined shallow pan to dry. I like to use sprinkles to decorate the strawberries before the chocolate is dried. Or tint some white chocolate with pink food coloring and pipe onto the strawberries to decorate. After the dark chocolate is dried, the pretty chocolate-dipped strawberries make a nice edible gift for any special occasion like birthdays, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. Enjoy!